EEBS is a subcontract labour supplier, and we work exclusively within the construction industry. We supply tradesmen back to subcontractors who would use them on a regular basis, but would have historically had a problem with HMRC's designation of employment, or the difference between employment and self-employment. Our services is much like a traditional agency, but without the external part. So for instance, we will not go and recruit tradesmen. Our clients will bring our tradesmen to us. We'll then supply them back to the client under a traditional agency contract, but we then don't pass on those tradesmen to other clients. The benefit for contractors to use EEBS is that they can maintain an ongoing relationship with their subcontractors, but we provide a bespoke service. So we'll tailor our solutions to exactly how a contractor uses his subcontractors. This allows them to use the same tradesman on a regular basis without in their revenue reclassifying those arrangements as employment as opposed to self-employment. So a typical customer of ours would be one of our clients who are a London stonemasonry business. Now they engage 5 different types of tradesmen through us, and historically we would have been able to supply those tradesmen back to the client under one single engagement contract. With the variations that have happened through the onshore intermediaries legislation, we've now tailored those solutions for that client to 5 different types of supply. So let me give you an example. They have 2 classes of skilled stonemason, a senior and a junior type of stonemason. We can supply those guys because they are fully skilled under CIS contracts. They also have trainee subcontractors. These guys we supply back to them under a hybrid PAYE type of arrangement, so they're paid under PAYE, but they remain self-employed. They also have 2 classes of labourers who are logistics labourers. They'll have 1 class of guys who will move stone to and from site, and they have another class of labourer who work in the team moving stone around on site. These guys are supplied back to the client under typical PAYE agency contracts. That allows us to tailor all of our solutions to the client's requirements to ensure they are completely HMRC compliant. The unique selling point that we have is that we are a relatively small company in terms of the industry size. We pay between 12 and 1,500 tradesmen per week. The average size of our client is that we'll be engaging around about 8 tradesmen per client. So we're invoicing 120 to 150 clients across a typical month. This allows us to have an ongoing relationship with the individual clients. We can tailor our needs to their specific requirements, but we're big enough to engage absolutely the best advice in the business. We pay some of the top advisors and barristers in the country to make sure we are completely compliant on an ongoing basis. So if you engage self-employed tradesmen on a regular basis, if you pay them a day rate, if you provide all the plant, equipment and materials, and if those tradesmen can't demonstrate an active client portfolio of their own, you need to visit the website, our website, www.eebs.co.uk. We can give you a free health check with your payroll solutions, and if you come and work with us, you can have the first month free.